Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Chantilly, Virginia, checking out Royal Farms. You know, I've been hearing a lot about their chicken. I've been hearing that, oh, Royal Farms, they have the best chicken. You gotta go check out Royal Farms. Well, today we're gonna find out. So let's go inside, let's put in our order, and we'll come back and we'll check it out. Let's go. Go. We got the bag. Royal Farms. I'm excited to check this out. Chicken Palooza. Look at that. Let's dig in and see what we got. This box is heavy, by the way. It's got some weight to it. Oh, look at this. Here's our roll. All right, it's soft. It feels nice in the hands. Here's what one of the fries looks like. Look at that. It's a potato wedge. You know, the thing that KFC killed off. And then we have the chicken on the bottom here. Let's take a look at that. Ooh, man, that does look really good. Look at that. Wow, that breading looks really nice. Let's start off with a fry really quick. That's like a heavy potato wedge. I would almost say, though, like, I kind of wish that it had just a little bit more crunch to it, because I feel like it's a little too much on the soft side. It has a good flavor, though, so I can't complain about that. There's a nice flavor about it. Out of all these Royal Farms sauces, the Chesapeake one, I guess they make here on site, because it's the only one that's not pre-packaged. So I'm excited to check that out. Before we get to the chicken, let me dip a fry in this ranch dressing. Let's check this out and see where we're at with that. Okay. Kind of your run-of-the-mill ranch dressing. It's nothing that's like out of this world. It's certainly not Ken's ranch dressing. In case you were wondering, that is my ranch of choice. But it is a nice ranch nonetheless. We got our honey mustard right here, and let's go ahead and try one of those chicken tenders with the honey mustard. This chicken tender right here is so freaking thick. It's got a lot of weight to it. All right, let's see what happens. That is a very, very juicy tender. With all the breading, I was kind of expecting it to be a little more on the crunchy side, and it's not that, but I don't see that as like, I'm not complaining. It has some good flavor. Let's take a pause on the chicken for a minute, and let's try this roll out here. It looks really nice. I don't think there's any butter on it, but it tastes like there's butter in it. Maybe they cook it with butter, possibly. It's not the best dinner roll I've ever had. I mean, obviously the Hawaiian rolls are the best rolls, but I mean, it's solid. It's decent. Now I want to try this Chesapeake sauce. Maybe we should try this one independently first before we put it on something. Oh, it's got Old Bay in it. I see. Okay, yes. This is very nice. And it should complement the chicken very nicely. This is a beautiful, beautiful tender. Look at that, man. That thing is freaking huge. Oh man, that Old Bay goes over really nicely with chicken. A lot nicer than I thought it was. This is far and away the best sauce out of the 3 so far. There's a closer look at it. Oh yeah. That is so solid. Oh my God. All right, here's my final thoughts. It would be impossible for me not to recommend Royal Farms to you. The chicken was just, it was really, really good. I would put it up there with any insert name here of fast food chicken places. They really have it figured out here at Royal Farms. The chicken was so thick. There was so much meat in there and a lot of juice. I mean, like I said, the only gripe was I thought that the breading could have been just a hint more crunchier. But other than that, man, I mean, that was solid. It was really, really good. The fries were, they were all right, you know. And the roll was kind of like your average roll. But the chicken is the star of the show. I like chicken tenders, so that's why I went with that. I'm sure if you got like a bucket of chicken here, which they offer, you would probably be really, really happy with it. But even the tenders, I mean, you can get them in like 2, 3, and 5 packs. That was the 3, and that right there had me feeling right where I need to be for a lunch. I mean, they're just huge. So Royal Farms definitely gets my recommendation. Check them out if you have one. I'll put their website down below where you can check the locations and see if there's one near you if you want to try it out. Of course, let me know in the comments below what you thought of them, or maybe you've already been there. Give me your thoughts on Royal Farms. Well, that's going to do it for me here on today's video. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Go ahead, hit that like button down below if you liked the video. Subscribe if you want a little bit more, and hit that bell so that YouTube will notify you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when we upload new videos just for you. TheEdibleAdventures.com for merch, The Edible Adventures on Instagram, and this is the end screen. Couple of chicken videos for you here, little subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you so much for watching.